Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to appear offline on TikTok. So open your TikTok application on your phone. Once you are into your TikTok account, head to your profile. Then from here, tap on the three lines located at the top right of your screen. This will open up the menu. From the menu, go to Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy. Look for the Activity Status option. By toggling this off, your followers won't be able to see when you are online on TikTok. Alternatively, here is another method. Now click on the inbox icon at the bottom of your screen. Within the inbox, click on the inbox icon at the top of your screen. You will see the inbox appear with a green sign if the activity status is turned on. Then, click on the green sign and it will take you to the activity status setting. Toggle it off to ensure that nobody can see that you are online on TikTok. And that is it. By following these steps, you can easily appear offline on TikTok. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next video.